Have you ever thought about starting your own culinary herb garden? Such a garden offers a fresh supply of herbs, enhances your culinary skills, adds beauty to your home, and provides a relaxing hobby. Imagine having your own supply of fresh herbs just a few steps away from your kitchen. The first step in starting a culinary herb garden is choosing the right herbs. Consider starting with basil, a staple in Italian cuisine, or parsley, a versatile herb that brightens up any dish. Thyme, with its earthy flavor, is great for hearty stews, while mint is perfect for refreshing summer drinks. Each herb brings its unique flavor, enhancing your dishes in its special way. But here's a tip. The best herbs for your garden are the ones you love to cook with. After choosing your herbs, it's time to get your hands dirty. Let's dive right into the planting process. Start by selecting a high-quality potting mix. This will provide your herbs with the nutrients they need to thrive. Next, plant your herbs, ensuring each one has enough room to grow. Now, onto the care part. Watering is crucial, but remember, moderation is key. Overwatering can do more harm than good. Aim for moist, not soggy soil. Sunlight is another essential factor. Most herbs love a good 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. However, each herb has its own sunlight preference, so do your research. With proper care, your herbs will flourish and be ready for harvest in no time. Now, the most exciting part, harvesting and using your herbs. Harvest with care to keep your plants healthy. Imagine the joy of sprinkling your dishes with aromatic herbs you've grown yourself. Nothing beats the satisfaction of using your own homegrown herbs in your culinary creations. Starting a culinary herb garden is not only practical but also fulfilling. It offers the joy of fresh, flavorful herbs, the satisfaction of growing them yourself, and the ease of having them at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.